Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to sew a perfect female round neck CCC sutana. So this material is being folded into two like this. I'll measure 9 inches, then fold it again into 4 places. Okay, so the neck, I've cut the neck before, so this is the facing of the neck. The neck, I made it 2 3/4 and 4 by the length, while the width is 2 3/4. So I just traced it out, then measured 4 inches round. So that's the wideness of the facing. If you want it wider, you can add to the 4 inches. So this is the sewing part. I'm writing B for the sake of this tutorial. That is the back. So I ironed the 4 sides. That's before I opened it. I ironed it. Okay, so that the line can correspond. Like the line on the facing had to be exactly on the line of the body. So make sure it doesn't shift. If it shifts, you have to lose it and sew it again. You just have to get a perfect neck line. So make sure the facing, both B are facing you. Both B are facing you. That's both back. And cut out the excess thread neatly. Then give it a nice notch. Make sure you don't make mistake while notching. Okay, so I've notched it all round. Then I had to remove the pins. Okay, so I flipped it to the front part. Then I had to bring it out like this. So now both fronts will be facing you. Okay, make sure the line are corresponding like this. So you pin it down. Don't forget, make sure the line are corresponding. That is the excess of this tutorial. So that when you sew the first one, you make mistake, you lose it immediately. So I'm pinning it in 8 places. Just for the sake of this tutorial. Just make sure when you are pinning it, the down part is not coming out, like the down part. Make sure it's the upper part that is covering it neatly and nicely. Just sew it round. Continue sewing. So make sure any place that is bulgy, use scissors to set it, straighten it very well. Then when you are sewing it again, make sure the upper part like is a bit loose. That's the, I'm talking about the facing now, is a bit loose. Like don't make it exactly, like don't drag it. So let me zoom it. I just zoomed it now so that you see it clearly. Like you see that I'm not dragging the upper one. Don't, make sure you don't drag it. If you drag it, it will end up like being excess. So you end up being excess, then you have like a pleated facing, which is the challenge in this facing. So make sure those, you can see the lines, they are on each other. In case it's not on each other, make sure you lose it before you get to the second line. You know you have 4 lines. So as you first sew the first one, you see that it's not on each other, lose it back until you get that perfect first one. You can see this line too. So it's on each other too. Exactly. So you continue like that. Just make sure you take your time and make sure that the down part is not showing. I'm talking about the neck itself. Make sure the down part is not showing. So just give it a nice and clean finishing. Okay guys, so that's it for the sewing of the round neck, a perfect round neck. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you very much.